Keep moving, don't stop.
As you can see on the Process Lab interface, the adjusted phosphorus is maximizing the feed efficiency here.
Agreed. The meat quality index is up by 3% since the change.
The growth trajectory is stable. Let's look at the meat conformation scores.
Reproductive performance also looks promising for this group, Doctor.
From the rice paddies of Southeast Asia to our state-of-the-art facility, we honor the complete origin story.
Easy now, easy. Keep moving through the chute. Clear on the left, next group coming down. Clear the scale. All right, next buffalo, easy now, 750 recorded.
Our process ensures full compliance with both Sharia law and national regulations, verifying the integrity of the halal supply chain.
As you can see on the flowchart here, the temperature at CCP3 is stable.
Yes, the buffalo meat chilling is proceeding as expected according to the HACCP plan.
My continuous presence ensures every animal processed meets the halal standard for the global market.
Check the thickness here, near the flank.
Reading 3.2 millimeters meets the Process Lab standard.
Welcome back to the Process Lab. We're looking for consistent thickness and a rich, natural grain.
The veterinary inspection process is critical for public safety, ensuring every carcass is free of notifiable conditions like tuberculosis.
Look at the discoloration here on the liver, consistent with the pathology.
Yes, but the spleen appears normal. We must correlate with the carcass condition.
This batch of tripe looks excellent, very clean.
Ready for vacuum sealing and labeling with the Process Lab logo.
Welcome back to the Process Lab. As you can see, we meticulously prepare the liver for our Middle Eastern partners, ensuring perfect presentation.
Welcome to the Process Lab. Today we look at the complete water buffalo harvesting sequence, focusing on halal certification and food safety interventions.
The color is a deep, consistent red. We have good conformation here, very little waste. This meets the premium grade standard.
Welcome to the Process Lab. We're looking at the complete primal range, including the top side, silver side, and of course the tenderloin.
The lean, dark red muscle profile is clearly visible, naturally significantly leaner than comparable beef cuts with
With significantly lower fat, higher protein density, and exceptionally high iron and zinc, commercial water buffalo.
Welcome to the Process Lab. We source only the finest halal certified water buffalo, ensuring premium quality in every cut. We begin with expert grading, moving through our state-of-the-art boning room and cold storage, and finally,
Check the thickness on the flanks. Looks good. Make sure the salt penetration is even before folding.
The grain quality here is excellent, but look at the defects on the edge.
Yes, that drops it to a B grade.
As you can see, 5.2 millimeters. That's significantly thicker than the standard bovine. This is why the water buffalo is the most durable.
Welcome to the Process Lab. The beam house systematically prepares the hides, opening the structure for optimal tanning penetration during liming and fleshing. From heavy-duty automotive finishes to luxury fashion treatments and embossed patterns, our process lab handles it all.
See this scar here?
Yeah.
Noted. But the grain consistency is excellent. All right, marking this as premium grade.
Today in the lab, we're exploring the incredible versatility of water buffalo leather, crafting everything from these automotive
The bioreactor levels are stable, well within national guidelines.
Good, let's cross-reference that with the water recycling output.
Welcome to the Process Lab. Our zero waste philosophy ensures that every water buffalo is utilized.
This extraordinary dual revenue model includes premium halal certified meat, high quality leather, and significant byproduct revenue streams.
As you can see, the data clearly positions water buffalo meat as superior.
Its unique nutritional profile makes it...
Water buffalo meat contains approximately 40% less cholesterol than beef, 55% less fat, and significantly higher iron and protein content.
The extraordinary growth continues. We are looking at a global market exceeding $3 billion, largely driven by India's $4 billion in exports.
If we adjust the feed mixture here, the protein synthesis increases by 12%.
Let's cross-reference that with the genomic data.
The genomic selection data clearly identifies the superior genetic markers for accelerated growth rate and high-quality meat.
Welcome to the Process Lab. This facility represents the complete ecosystem of sustainable water buffalo production. From the serene rice paddies of Asia, an extraordinary journey to the world's finest halal dining tables.